gut-wrenchingly difficult, overwhelmingly disappointing, and false. That's what Lizzo is calling allegations from former dancers Ariana Davis, Crystal Williams, and Noel Rodriguez.
For me personally, it was the sexual harassment at a nude bar in Amsterdam.
Included in the lawsuit, accusations from Ariana and Noel that the singer forced them to witness sexually denigrating behavior against their will in Amsterdam.
How did you feel throughout this experience?
I was very uncomfortable, and especially when Lizzo would have intimate moments, like watching her significant other like caress the naked women, and we were just all kind of like awkwardly standing around.
It was crazy. They were just doing it, but you know what? It was beautiful.
Lizzo admits in her statement that she's very open about her sexuality. She spoke about her love of Amsterdam's sex shows on Dutch radio in 2019.
They kissed after, I'm not gonna say what she did.
Did she force you to touch a dancer?
She then started a chant and said, "Ari, Ari." They weren't gonna stop until I did it. So I briefly touched the performer. I've never done anything like that in my life. Sorry, it's crazy. It's not a big deal for other people.
It's a big deal for you.
But for me, it's just a lot. I've never done that. I'm really young and I've never even been in a relationship. Truthfully, like, it was so terrible and I feel disgusting afterwards. I feel like I just feel like I lost who I was on that job.
Ariana claims weight shaming is one main reason for her firing, an allegation Lizzo adamantly denies, but Ariana also admits Lizzo was very upset when she learned that Ariana had recorded audio of one of their team meetings.
After Lizzo took lots of time to berate me and my common sense and all kinds of things, she had said that I'm fired. And then she left the room after having, you know, made an advance at Noel.
So are you suggesting there was a threat of physical intimidation?
Oh, absolutely. Specifically with Noel, she had resigned and Lizzo was very upset about that. I remember her balling up her fists and like cracking her knuckles and saying, "You're so lucky, you're so effing lucky." Surprise!
This now in Lizzo's defense, her attorney sharing this video of Ariana auditioning to continue working with Lizzo as a singer in season 2 of Watch Out for the Big Girls after all her accusations allegedly had taken place.
I look up to her so much and I just want to follow in her footsteps.
Lizzo's attorney saying, quote, "These do not sound like the words of someone who was harassed or discriminated against. We are confident that Lizzo will be completely vindicated in this matter." Well, Ariana replied to the release of the video by saying at the time she was still in Lizzo's camp and, quote, "genuinely wanted to save my job." Our efforts to reach Lizzo's production company were unsuccessful.